Hello, and welcome to the Paybox Landlord Interface tutorial series. In this video, we'll be looking at how to add prepaid codes for your customers. The first thing you want to do is select the Prepaid Code tab in the Landlord Interface. Then, click Add New Prepaid. Enter an email address for your customer. Add the prepaid code and the amount. Now you can see your prepaid code is selected. Let's open it back up and take a look at the other feature. Now, let's say we want to add a new amount, and we can just type that in. See that the updated balance will be $70, and we can click Save, and now our balance is $70. Or, we can select Create New Balance to wipe out the original value and put it back to $50. Thank you.